Hello guys, welcome today to my channel. My name is Jeremiah Eldane, aka Chris the Crypto Musician. So I want to teach you how to connect your Bitget to your cards. And before we do that, you have to first of all download the VPN, right? I'm using Windscribe. Windscribe is going to give you access to be able to access any country. So you can put it in Canada, right, on Windscribe, and then you can do it to open the Bitget. You know, a lot of people were unable to sign up that Bitget account, and the Bitget account keeps showing suspicious activity, something like that, one error message. It's not going to let you register the account. So to do that, you have to bypass it with VPN, right? So Windscribe, so you can see it, right? Windscribe, this is it. So that's the VPN you need. So you connect the VPN. We are connected to Toronto, Canada. You can connect to Ghana, connect to any other country aside Nigeria. Then you go to Bitget. So there's wallets, there's exchange. You need the exchange, you need the wallet. Then you sync both of them together. Right? So I'm going to click on sign up because it's not letting people sign up. Then I'll use email address. Then password, I'll put my password. Then I have read up policy. Then I'll click on create. So then we follow accordingly. The feasts, that's on Nigeria hand. So this is feast 1, this time, and then the next one 48%. Don't even try me. Okay, so you sent the code. I'll go for the code now. Done. Change back to this one. So this is 816361. 816361. 816361. So now they're doing facial recognition. So I'll enable and then enable it where I can just choose. Let me just enable it because you can have Wala. Right, so you see verify now, launchpad DC. So I'll click on verify now. Right, to just do all my identification and everything. So I'll verify. Allow full access. So it's better you do everything now. Country of legal residence, change it back to your country. I'm using Nigeria, so Nigeria. ID type international passports. Okay. PVN or any. So all countries except USA, right? I don't think I can take selfie now. So I'm going to choose my BVN, guys. So my data has been submitted for review, and I'm going to do the face verification. But there's no lights. It just took my lights. So okay, face scan is complete. So I'll continue. So it's under review. I'll click on confirm. So now what you need now is your user ID, right? So once you verify your account, you come to this place. This is your UID, your UID number. This is how I got it. You see this box here? You come to that place. this number is your UID number, right? Good. Then you come to assets down. Then you go to add funds, right? Deposit crypto. Then you search for cards. TS. Can you see it up here? That's when you click on it. You choose the network. See view. Okay, we know. But just choose your network. So once the verification is completed, just choose your network, then you take the memo. I'm going to take you through that process soon. Just hold on. So they verified my account. So when you see the cards, you just come to turn. You can see it. Choose network is done already. So you just copy this, right? You copy this address. Copy this and then you go paste it in cards. So let me just take you there. So now I'll just turn off my WinScribe. W. I'll just turn it off. Right, so that's no wastes. So I'll just go to cards. Alright. So once I come to cards, I'll just go to airdrop, exchange, right? Continue. If I go to Bitget, right? Then I'll now put the UID here, the UID, that first number, and then the wallet. I'll just copy and paste. Do you understand? That's how to do it. So, wallet address. This is the wallet address. Right? Just copy it. That box, remember, see that I'm verified. So I'll just hold it to copy, and then I'll just put it in the notes. Right? That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Kindly click on the subscribe button. If you are following, follow. If you are leaving a comment, if you need help, you can leave a comment on the comment section, and I'll be glad to really help you. Okay.